Ever wondered how to make a soul-warming cabbage soup? Welcome to a culinary journey where we'll be exploring the art of creating a hearty, nutritious delight. Picture a symphony of cabbage, carrots, celery, and ripe tomatoes all dancing together in a single bowl. This isn't just a soup, it's a melody of flavors, textures, and warmth that's perfect for any time of the year. Whether you're wrapped up on a cold winter's night or simply seeking comfort after a long day. Stay tuned to discover the magic behind this veggie delight. The beauty of this soup lies in its simplicity and the fusion of flavors from its ingredients. Let's dive right into these ingredients. We've got a small cabbage shredded to perfection, bringing an earthy sweetness to the soup. Then we have 2 large carrots, sliced, adding a nice crunch and a hint of sweetness. Our 3 stalks of celery, diced, contribute a refreshing crispness, and our 4 ripe tomatoes, chopped, infuse a tangy flavor. We'll also have an onion, finely chopped, and 4 cloves of garlic, minced, to build a strong aromatic base. There's also 6 cups of vegetable broth to give our soup a flavorful foundation. To season, we'll use a teaspoon each of dried thyme and oregano, and salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons of olive oil will be used for sautéing our veggies, and finally, fresh parsley will be our garnish, adding a pop of color and freshness. Remember, the key to a great soup is using fresh, quality ingredients. With all ingredients ready, it's time to create our culinary masterpiece. Now comes the exciting part, bringing our ingredients together to create the soul-warming cabbage soup. We kick off our cooking adventure by sautéing finely chopped onions and minced garlic in a generous splash of olive oil. The aroma of this simple yet magical combination is enough to set your taste buds tingling. Next, we introduce our vibrant cast of vegetables into the pot. The cabbage, carrots, celery, and ripe tomatoes. The colors, the textures, they all take center stage, promising a feast for the senses. We then sprinkle in dried thyme and oregano, adding an extra dimension to our melody of flavors. A pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and our seasoning is complete. Finally, the vegetable broth is poured in, covering our veggies and transforming our pot into a simmering cauldron of wholesome deliciousness. We let this simmer on medium heat for about 20 minutes until everything is tender and flavors are well combined. And there you have it, a bowl of warm, hearty, and delicious cabbage soup. Aside from being absolutely delicious, this soup is also packed with numerous health benefits. Cabbage, the star ingredient, is loaded with vitamins C and K and is a good source of fiber. Carrots add a dose of beta-carotene, which supports eye health. Celery, with its high water content, aids in hydration, while tomatoes bring a burst of antioxidants. Together, these ingredients create a nutrient-dense, heart-healthy soup that promotes overall well-being. So, are you ready to whip up your bowl of health and warmth? Enjoy your cooking journey.